This works for everyone in the globe and is one of the most straightforward ways to earn money online because there's no selling, no affiliate marketing, no social media followers required, and no prior experience is required. You have simply copy-paste a text. If you stick around until the end of the video, you'll be able to earn a lot more since I'll show you 3 different websites from which you can make a commission. Okay, let's start here to demonstrate how you can utilize Google to be paid repeatedly, so this could take no more than 30 minutes. Then, if PayPal isn't available in your area or you don't wish to use PayPal, I'll demonstrate how you can choose alternative payment options. In case you do not want to use PayPal, you can pick other payment options such as an online bank transfer, Payoneer, others. So let's get started with the first step. Come on, domain.com. Step 2 is to look up Google News once you've searched for Google News. Next, I'd like you to go to the official site news.domain.com. This is a website where you can find the latest news and latest information about all topics around the globe. It's like the newspaper you read in, and you'll discover everything here. Report on business, politics, science, technology, health, sport, history, and anything else you can imagine. You will be sure to find it on this site. What will this do to earn you money, and how do you receive your no-cost PayPal money? Keep an eye on the page and you'll see how it works. So there's a left side, you'll see the various categories you can choose from. Information about the world. This is all about what's happening around the world at the moment. You can also access your local news, which is something we ignore. You want to concentrate on technology, business, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You will see, for instance, that if I choose the health category, it will provide me with all the most recent news and all the most recent articles on health. So scroll down and see what we can find here. This article was posted recently, and it's a great article that millions of people will click on, so all you need to do is click on one article. Don't stress. You won't need to write articles or be concerned that you don't have to market anything that does not have anything to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or anything else. The only thing you have to do is open the article and copy and paste the content from the article. For instance, I'll copy this here, go through step 3, and move to the following website we'll be using, spinbot.com. There you'll need to copy the article that you discovered on Google News. Spinbot will write the essay for you. This way, you can read that complete article written by you in your own words. This makes it unique. You'll use those articles on 3 different websites that I'll provide you with that offer you a payment for the articles. Some will pay you $1 for each word, which is pretty impressive considering the articles may contain thousands of words. You can calculate the amount. If you find the article, paste the text into this box here, scroll a further down, and then click I'm not a robot. And then you'll need to click on the Go, and it will rewrite the whole article for you. It appears that the meaning is identical, but using different words and phrases, using synonyms, and it's writing using your own words, so you can duplicate that unique and rewritten piece and can use the following 3 websites to earn money for the articles. The first website we'll use will be eatingwell.com, and you can submit your articles on eatingwell.com. You can upload your content. It is possible to write articles for this site and earn money for doing it now. Instead of working hard to write these articles over time, you could use Google News and Spinbot to write distinctive and high-quality articles and pay up to 1 cent per word. This is the first website, and I have 2 more websites for you to check out, so you could earn at least $1 for each word on this website. That means that if you submit an article that has 1,000 words, it could be worth up to $1,000 for the article. The time spent was under 30 minutes copying and pasting. Now, what do you do to send your article so that you can be paid on this page? You'll have to scroll away down to the bottom until you come across this section. There you can find their contact information, so you can take their email address and copy it to your email account and send them an email in a subject stating the subject of your email, whether it is article submission or something similar to that, and then attach your file to your article that you have written once you've sent them the email. They will review it, and if they approve, they will publish it. In the article, they will inquire to provide your payment information. If they do, you will inform them that whether you would like to be paid via PayPal, they will ask you to provide my PayPal and my email addresses. are then left in your PayPal and email addresses if you wish to be money via bank transfer. Give your bank account details as well. The same applies to the other payment options. The possibilities are limitless as there are articles posted on Google News that come every few hours. You can use the articles and rewrite them using SpinBot, then save them to Word documents or save them on your computer and upload it to these sites. The first place to submit your content is eatingwell.com. You can also post articles to sierraclub.org, located on their website. To submit your article to the website, you need to follow the instructions. All you need to do is send them an email at the address. You can copy the email address, go to your email, type in your contact information, and subject line, type in the submission, and submit your article today with sierraclub.org. You will not just be allowed to submit articles about fitness and health, similar to what you've done in the past with healthy eating. However, it would be best to locate something related to science or technology. So, open an article in the field of science, copy the text and paste it into the SpinBot, allowing them to rewrite it for you before sending the article via sierraclub.org's email address. The third and last site to post your writing is daily.jstor.org. The website has submission guidelines, and you can learn more about the process. The site will pay you a bit less, but it's an excellent option since you can earn additional money and improve your results with this strategy. The best part about this site is that they'll require only 2,000 words. They'll pay approximately 31 cents per word. So it's not as much as the two other websites, but still quite decent at around 31 cents per word. 31 cents per page. This isn't any way to go because it will add up quickly. The more content you post to these sites, the more money you'll earn. Not every article is accepted. However, even if you only get one article a day, that's still hundreds or even $1,000 per day by copying and pasting the article. It is entirely free and you don't need to wait for long. You can immediately start using this method again. Let's look at the steps. Visit Google, go to Google News, and choose one of the categories on the left-hand side. Select the article you are interested in. Open an article, copy the text and use SpinBot to make it unique, then submit it. You can do this repeatedly for a long time and earn a decent amount of money. I'm sure you got something from this tutorial, and that's all there is to it.